Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 and click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter multiply and divide decimals. Got it? So let's start with the first lesson, that is multiply decimals. So let me just write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Multiply decimals. Okay, here I am on grade 6 maths. The chapter name is divide decimals, and here is the lesson I'm going to start with multiply decimals. Okay, so let's start with the first example. You have to do 1.4 times 0.6. Got it? So basically you have to multiply the numbers. So first of all, you have to multiply the numbers as they are without decimal. Got it? Without the decimal point. So just multiply them 14 times 6. Got it? 6 times 4 is 24. Here you have 4 and carry 2. Then 6 times 1 is 6 and 2 8. So it is 84. Now count the total number of decimal places in the factors. Got it? So for both the factors it is 1. You have the decimal plate placed right after the 1 digit. Got it? So that means there are two decimal places in all. Got it? So you have to move the decimal places two places left. Usually the decimal point is over here. It would be 84.0. Got it? You have to move 2 points left. So it would be moved then from here to here. So it would be then 0.84. Got it? You have to count the decimal places and put the decimal places on the left of the number. Got it? So it would be 0.84. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the examples. Okay, start with the first one. It would be 8.6 times 3.8. Just multiply them without the decimals. Simply multiply the numbers. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 and 4 carry. 8 times 8 is 64 and 4 70. Now we're going to multiply the tens digit. So you have to write the number right below the tens. 3 times 6 is 18. 8 and 1 carry. 3 times 8 is 24 and 125. So here you have. Okay, so it would be 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 3 is 7 plus 5 is 12. You have to carry 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So the number is, wait, let me just see, 86 times 38. It is 3268. So 3 times 6 is 18. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 and 4 carry. 8 times 8 is 64. 68 it is. Here you have 68. Got it? So 8 and 8 is 16. Wait, let me do it again. 86 times 38. 8 times 8 is 8 times 6 is 48. 8 and carry 4. 8 times 8 is 64 and 64 plus 4 is 68. Got it? So here you have 8 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18 and carry 1. 3 times 8 is 24 and 125. 0. 8 and 8 is 16 and 6 1 carry. 6 times 1 is 6 and 7. 5 12 2 and 1 carry, it would be 3. Okay, now it is 3268. So here you have a decimal point. So just look at the decimal places. You have one decimal place in this and one decimal place in the second digit. That means you have the total two decimal places. Got it? So you have to move decimal place two places left. So when you move it to left, it would be then 32.68. Got it? So the correct option is 32.68. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 0.3 times 8.6. So let's just multiply. Just multiply the numbers without decimal point. It would be 86 times 3. So 3 times 6 is 18. 8 and 1 carry. 3 times 8 is 24 and 1, 25. So both the digit have one decimal place, one decimal place. That means the total is two decimal places. So you have to move decimal places two places left. So you have to move from here to here. It would be then 2.58. Got it? So the correct option is 2.58. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to do 2.8 times 9.7. Got it? So let's just multiply. Multiply the numbers without decimal point. It would be 7 times 8 is 56. Write 6 and carry 5. 7 times 2 is 14 and 14 and 5 19. Then you are going to multiply the tens digit. 9 times 8 is 72. Write 2 and carry 7. 9 times 2 is 18 and 5. 25 it is. Got it? So you have 6, 9 and 2, 11, 1 and 1 carry. 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7 and 2. So both the digits have one decimal place. Got it? You have that means the answer must have two decimal places. So the digit is 2716. The decimal point is here. You have to move two places left. So it would be then 27.16. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is 27.16. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 4.5 times 6.5. Got it? Let's just do 4.5 times 6.5. So multiply the numbers without the decimal. Got it? So you have to do 5 times 5 is 25. Here you have 5 and carry 2. 5 times 4 is 20 and 2 22. Now you're going to multiply the tens digit. So you have to write the numbers right below the tens digit. So 6 times 5 is 30. Here you have 0 and carry 3. 6 times 4 is 24 and 3 27. Just add the numbers 5 2 9 2. So both the numbers have one decimal places. That means the answer must have two decimal places. Got it? So you have to move decimal point two places left. So it would be then 29.25. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. And the next topic is inequalities with decimal multiplication. Let's just start with a new lesson, that is inequalities with decimal multiplication. Let me just write down the lesson name. Then we'll start with the inequalities with decimal multiplication. With decimal multiplication. Okay, let's start with the examples. Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, so the first one is 18 is greater or equal 5 times 4.0. Got it? So just multiply this side. 5 times 4.0 is, just do 5 times 4. That would be 20. So you have just one decimal place. Got it? That means you have to move decimal point from here to here. It would be 2.0 or just 2. Got it? So 18 is greater than or less. 18 is less, greater, or equal to 2. 18 is less than 2. Got it? So the correct option is the first one. It would be 18 is greater than 2. Sorry, not less. 18 is greater than 2. Just select the correct option, then click on the. Oh, sorry, it would be 4.0. It is. So it is 20. So 18 is less than 20. Got it? I thought it's 0 0.4. Okay, the next one is 17 times 0 0.8. Got it? So just multiply 17 times. Multiply the number without the decimal. Just do 17.8. So it is 8 times 7 is 56. 6 and carry 5. 8 times 1 is 8 and 5 13. So you have one decimal place, so just move decimal point from here to here. It would be then 13.6. So basically you have to compare 13.6 and 14.1. So 13.6 is greater or less than 14.1. 13.6 is less than 14.1. Got it? So the correct option is less than. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to compare 7 and 3.21. Got it? So you just do 3.2.1 times 3 and just compare, and then compare it with 7. Got it? So 2.1 times 21 times 3. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. So you have one decimal place. So it is then 6.3. So you have to compare 7 and 6.3. So 7 is greater than 6.3 or less than 6.3? Greater it is. 7 is greater than 6.3. Got it? So the correct option is the greater one. 7 is greater than 6.3. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to do 2 times 8.8 and you have to compare it to 15. Just do 8.8 times 2. 2 times 8 is 16, 6 and 1 carry. 2 times 8 is 16 and 1 17. So you have just one decimal place, so it is 17.6. So you have to compare 17.6 and 15. Got it? So 17.6 is greater than 15 or less than 15? 17.6 is greater than 15. Got it? So it would be greater. So the correct option is greater. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is 5 times 0 0.8 and you have to compare it to 5, 4. Got it? So 5 times 8 is 40. You have to move one decimal place, so it would be 4.0. So 4.0 and 4 both are exactly same. So 4 is equal to 4. Got it? So they are equal. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, which sign makes the statement true? You have to compare 14.0 and just do 5.8 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 and 2 carry. 3 times 5 is 15 and 2 17. So you have one decimal place. So just move decimal place 1 point left. So it would be then 17.4. So you have to compare 14 and 17.4. So which option is the correct one? 14 is less than 17.4. Got it? So the correct option is less than. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, which sign makes the statement true? 10.1 and 8.8 times 1.3. So 8 times 1.3 is 1.3 times 8. 8 times 3 is 24, 4 and carry 2. 8 times 1 is 8 and 2, 10. So it would be 10.4. So you have to compare 10.1 and 10.4. So 10.1 is greater than 10.4 or less than 10.4? Less it is. Got it? So 10.1 is less than 10.4. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to do 2.7 times 3 and you have to compare it to 7. Got it? So let's just do 2.3 times 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Write 1 and carry 2. 7 times 2 is 14 and 2 16. It is 16.1. So 16.1 is greater than 7 or less than 7? Greater than. Got it? 16.1 is greater than 7. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Which sign makes the statement true? You have to 7 to 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. You have to compare 15 and 14. So 15 is greater than 14. Got it? The correct option is greater. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which of the option is the correct one? 2.2 times 5 and 11. 2.2 times 5 is 11. 2.2 times 5 is, yes, it is 11. 5 times 2 is 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 times 2 is 10 and 1. 11, it is 11.0. You have to compare 11 and 11. So yes, they are equal. Got it? 11 equal to 11. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2.2 times 8 and 17.6. Got it? So let's just do 2.2 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 6 and carry 1. 8 times 2 is 16 and 1 17. So it would be 17.6. So you have to compare 17.6 and 17.6. Got it? So they are, yes, they are exactly equal. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is divide decimals by whole numbers. Divide decimals by whole numbers. So let's start with divide decimals by whole numbers. Here it is, divide decimals by whole numbers. So let's just start with the lesson. So dividend is the decimal and the divisor is the whole number. Got it? Like for this one, you have to 651 divided by 4. Got it? 651 is the dividend and the dividend is the decimal. 4 is the divisor. Got it? Divisor is the decimal. Got it? Whole number. Divisor, dividend is decimal and 4 is the divisor and 4 is the whole number. So just you have to do long division. Let's suppose we don't have any decimal. Got it? Just divide the number without the decimal. Got it? Okay, so then we have to do 4 times 1 is 4. 6 subtract 4 is 2. Write the next digit down, it would be 25. So 4 times 6 is 24. 25 subtract 24 is 1. Write the next digit down, it would be then 4 times 2 is 8. 11 take away 8 is 3, and move the next digit down. It would be then 4 times 9 is 36. Got it? So you have one decimal place in the dividend. Got it? That means the answer must have one decimal place. So move decimal place, one place left. So you have to move decimal place from here to here. It would be 162.9. Got it? So the correct option is 162.9. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is the first one, 162.9. Okay, the next one is 61.88 and you have to divide it by 4. So again, the dividend is decimal and the divisor is a whole number. Just divide without decimal point. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 take away 4 is 2. Bring 1 down. 4 times 5 is 20. 21 subtract 20 is 1. Bring the next digit down. 8 it is. 4 times 4 is 16. 18 take away 16 is 2. And write the next digit down. It would be then 4 times 7 is 28. Got it? And 28 subtract 28 is 0. So you have the decimal places, two places left in the dividend. So answer must have a decimal point, 2 places left. So just move from here to here. It would be then 15.47. Got it? So the correct option is the last option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 296.22. The dividend is decimal and the divisor is whole number. Just do 296 to 2 divided by divide like we divide decimal numbers. Got it? So you have to calculate a table of 3 until 29. So 3 times 9 is 27. 29 take away 27 is 2. Bring the next digit down. It would be 7 is 21. 8 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. 26 take away 24 is 2. Bring the next digit down. So you have to do 3 times 7 is 21. Got it? 22 take away 21 is 1, and bring the next digit down. It would be 3 times 4 is 12. Got it? So you have the decimal point 2 places left in the divisor. So that means answer must have a decimal point 2 places left. So move decimal point from here to here. It would be 98.74. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. This is the correct option. Got it? So the correct option is 98.74. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 693.3 divided by 3. So divide like we divide the whole numbers. Got it? 3 times 2 is 6. Bring the next digit down. 3 times 3 is 9. Bring the next digit down. 3 times 1 is 3. 0. Bring the next digit down. 3 times 1 is 3. Got it? So that is 23.11. So you have just one decimal place in the dividend. So you have to add one decimal. You have to add decimal one place left. It would be 233.1. So the correct option is the first one. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 18.9 divided by 2. So you can divide like we do the decimal numbers. So just divide it like the whole numbers. 2 times 9 is 18. 0. Bring the next digit down 2 times. 4 is 8. 9 subtract 8 is 1. Got it? So you can put a decimal point and a 0 over here. Got it? Because we have to divide until the remainder is 0. Got it? So 2 times 5 is 10. So answer has a decimal point. Got it? But the dividend has a one place left. So you have to move more decimal point one place left. So it would be 9.45. Got it? You have to divide until you get the answer 0. We have 1, but we don't have any other digit. So I put the decimal point and a 0. So it would be then 2 times 5. 5 is 10. Also, the dividend has a one decimal place. So I moved decimal place one left. So it would be then 9.45. Got it? So the correct option is 9.45. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, divide, give the exact answer 90.84. Got it? So 9045 divided by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 take away 1, 8 is 1. Write the next digit down. 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 take away 10 is 0. Now bring the next digit 2 times. 2 is 4. Bring the next digit down 2 times. 2 is 4 and 5 take away 4 is 1. You don't have any other digit to bring down. Got it? So you put decimal point over here and a 0 over here. So it would be 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 take away 10 is 0. So the answer is 4 5. Wait, let me just check. 2 times 4 is 8 1. 2 times 5 is 10 0. Bring 4 down. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, sorry, I did a mistake. Let me do it again. Using the razor is very difficult. Let's just do it again. 9084 divided by 2 times 4 is 8. 9 take away 8 is 1 0. 2 times 5 is 10 0. Bring 8 down. 2 times 4 is 8 0. Bring next digit down. 2 times 2 is 4. Got it? 4 take away 4 is 0. So the number is 4542. So you have two decimal places left in the in the dividend. So move decimal place to it left. So it would be 45.42. Got it? So just select the correct options and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson, and the next lesson is divide decimals by whole numbers word problems. Got it? So you have to do basically the same things, but now we're just working on the word problems. Got it, everyone? Okay, let's start with the word problems. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. A soda factory produced 371.6 liters of root beer in 5 minutes. How many root beers on average did the factory produce each in 1 minute? So you have to calculate the beer factory may produce in 1 minute. So just divide 371.6 by 5. Got it? Just divide like we divide the decimals. 5 times 7 is 35. 37 subtract 35 is 2. Bring the next digit down. 5 times 4 is 20. 21 subtract 20 is 1. And bring the next digit down. It would be 5 times 3 is 15. Got it? So we have to divide until we get a 0. So just put a decimal point and it will be 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Got it? So the number is 743.2. So, and then the dividend has a one decimal place. So you move one decimal place left. It would be 74.32. Got it? The correct option is 74.32. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. The next one is a cafeteria used 37.8 kilograms of bean to make 8 batches of chili. What quantity of beans went into each one? You have to calculate basically unit prices. Got it? Just divide 37.8 by 8. Okay, you have to count 8 until 37. So 8 times 4 is 32. 32 take away 37 is 5. Bring the next digit down. 8 times 7 is 56. So put a decimal point and a 0. 8 times 4 is 16. 4. Put a 0. 8 times 5 is 40. So it is 47.45. You already have a one decimal place in the dividend. So move decimal point one place left. It would be 4.708 times 2 is 16, not 45. It is 25. 8 times 4.7 4.245 it is 7. 4 times 7 is, it is 4.725 actually. Got it? So the correct option is the second one. That is 4.725. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Our dairy produced 8.81 liters of milk in 5 hours. How much milk on average did the dairy produced per hour? Got it? So you have to do 881 divided by 5. Got it? So 5 times 1 is 5. 8 take away 5 is 3. Bring the next digit down. 8 times 4 is 32. 38 take away 32 is 6. Bring the next digit down. It would be, we can do 5 times 1 is 5. You don't need to bring down. 6 take away 5 is 1. Now you can bring the next digit down. 8 times 5 times 2 is 10. Wait. Let me do again. 881 divided by 5. 5 times 1, 5 times 1 is 5. 3, bring 8 down. 8 times 5 times 7 is 35. So 8 subtract 5 is 3. Bring the next digit down. 5 times 6 is 30. Put a decimal point over here. And 5 times 2 is 10. So it would be 1.762. You have 176.2. You have two decimal places in the digit, so you have to move it to back. It would be 1.76762. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. So which of the option is the correct one for the next topic? You have to divide 35.7 by 2. So which is the correct option? 35.7 divided by 2 equals Which is the correct option? Who is going to answer? It is 17.85. Got it. The correct option is 17.85. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Option number 3 is the correct one. Luke bought two metal balls. Altogether, the balls weighted 15.7 pounds. How much on average did each ball weigh? So you have to divide 15.7 by 2. Got it? So which of the option is the correct one? 15.7 divided by 2 equals. Yes, option number 1 is the correct one. Very good. It would be 7.85. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay. Over the past few years, Hele has made 6 trips to visit the amusement park. She drove 321.6 kilometers in all. How far did Hele drive on each trip? So you have to do 321.6 divided by 6. So which of the option is the correct one? Use your notebook and pencil. Solve the question and let me know the answer. Very good. Option number 2 is the correct one. That would be 53.6. Okay, the next one is a cookie factory used 8.68 kilograms of chocolate chips to make 8 batches of cookies. How many kilograms of chocolate chips did the factory put in each batch? So you have to divide 8.68 by 8, got it? So which of the option is the correct one? So the correct option is the last one, 1.085. Got it? So just select the correct option. Yes, very good. Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, no bought 2 golf balls. The total weight of the golf balls was 3.42 ounces. How much did golf balls weigh? So which of the option is the correct one? You have to divide 3.42 by 2. So the correct option is, yes, it is 1.71. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We're working on the chapter multiply and divide decimals. The lessons we have covered today are multiply decimals, inequalities with decimal multiplication, divide decimals by whole numbers, and divide decimals by whole numbers word problems. Got it? So you have to complete the test for all the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype, or either you can join me on the interactive class. That the time of for in the interactive class is 9 to 9:45, and you can join from Monday to Friday. Got it? If you have any problem, any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.